I look so crusty. That's not what today's video is about, so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Libby Rogers and I'm a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, and today's video is something that I'm so excited about. I posted on my Instagram stories some things that I thought that maybe you guys would like to see, some things that I had been thinking about, and I had you guys vote on them, and an overwhelming responses of yes came in for a beauty studio slash bedroom tour, because I am temporarily in a super small room that doubles as a studio and a bedroom. So I wanted to show you guys my room, my setup for filming, and my bathroom and everything like that. That's what today's video is about. So if you guys want to see my studio and my room and everything like that, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so this is what you see when you first come in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my closet. So my closet is actually a set of curtains hung up. I had some doors there, but they were, one, super loud. Like anytime I opened them, it just was so loud. They took up a lot of space, so I figured I could do this instead, and I will show you guys what is in here. So right now it's actually super cluttered. Like, this is not it fully organized, but this is kind of what I'm working with right now, just not having all of my clothes here yet. We are changing over from my old house into my stepdad's house and then into a new house soon. So this is a temporary setup for me, but this is all of my hanging clothes, all my dress clothes, and then I have all my folded clothes right here, which looks terrible. I need to roll them and make them all organized, but I just wanted to show you guys the gist of what I have. I have my hamper right there, and then behind it some camera equipment, and then up here I've got also these like little bars are yellow. They are not just like super stained, but I have lots of extra bedding up here for when my friends stay the night. But that's basically it for the closet space. So this is my current bed setup. This is actually 2 mattresses on top of one another, and then this comforter is just a super cheap one from a Target, but I like it because it is a lighter weight comforter, which is what I like. I like lighter weighted comforters or a quilt just because I get hot super easily. So yeah, that's basically my bed situation right now. This comforter was probably $20 at the most, and it's so comfortable. I love it. And I have a Tempur-Pedic bed that is in storage until we move. So this is what's going to do for now because it is a smaller room, so that's why this is the way it is. And then my Bible and my notebook, I read every day. I always have it right next to my bed because it just reminds me to read, and it's something I do while I'm in bed. So yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and move into the beauty setup. So this is the full setup for my beauty studio. Yes, it's taking up about half of my room, but I'm just making do with what I've got for right now. So when I film, I sit here. Obviously, it is the chair, but I have a ring light behind me to light up the area behind me, and then I use 2 softbox lights in all of my videos, and then you can really see it, but there's the camera right here, and I have some of, actually all of my brushes right here on both sides of my desk, and I've got my reflector, my little mirror, and then some of my favorite palettes. These are the ones I use most of day to day. And then over here are my drawers, which is where all my makeup is stored. Yes, this is all the makeup I have. I try and clean out pretty regularly just so that I don't use stuff that I don't need, that I don't use. And then I've got some of all my sponges, tweezers, all that, like all of that kind of stuff right there, and then just some extra storage right there. This is giveaway stuff and a few other things. But if you guys want a full what is in everything like that, then let me know down below. I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, this is basically my filming setup, and it works for me, and yeah, that's basically it, and it works great for me. And I have a backdrop which I will eventually put up. You can't see what it is, but it's just a marble background that I'm eventually going to put up right here, but I just haven't yet. So this is the space that I'm most unhappy with. It's lots of cords and stuff which I need to use for all of my filming stuff, but that's just kind of what it is. I deal with it because I need to use plugs, and that's just how it is. So, and I've got another set of plugs over here for this little section of my room. So I've got a plant, and then my little board. This is my mission board. I am going on a missions trip this summer. Actually, I'm going on 2 mission trips this summer, and This is my missions wall. People just pick a number and that's how much they donate, and it adds up to how much I need it to be at the end. So that's really great. Everything right here these are from Walmart. This entire set right here was $15, which is crazy. It works great for me. I just store some extra clothes in there. I've got a lamp that I also got from Walmart, and I don't like that that's showing, so we're just gonna move that. And this is the diffuser that I will be talking about in my Amazon favorites video, but I absolutely love it. It is my favorite. I've just got my Apple Watch, and then I've got my markers for marking off who has donated to my mission trip. So yeah, that's basically it. There's no light in this room if you cannot tell. So I just have a fan, but I like more mood lighting anyway. So I just have that lamp and this lamp. So that's basically all the lighting I have in this room, but that's fine. And during the day, I just open up the blinds and it's all good. Works great for me. So the next thing is my Dru Box. So this is something that is eventually gonna go over the door, but I cannot put them over the doors here because it doesn't work. So for now, I'm probably actually just gonna take off these little hanger things right here, and I'm eventually just going to put it up against the wall because I do use this for mirrors and everything like that when I'm checking an outfit or something like that. So this is my jewelry box, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. This is all of my jewelry. I don't have that much, but I enjoy jewelry so much. It is one of my favorite things when I'm picking out an outfit. I love earrings especially, and I love rings. If you cannot tell, I have so many. So if you guys want to see like a jewelry collection video or anything like that, let me know. I am more than happy to do that for you guys. So that's basically that. I really like it when it's hung up against the door because it doesn't take up any space. But until I do that, you know, it's just right here, and that's fine. I don't mind it. I still have a bunch of floor space. If you can't tell, I don't know how much you can tell through a camera, but yeah, this is great floor space for me. And even though it is a small room, I feel like I make it work pretty well. So there's that. Now we're going into my favorite part, which is my bathroom. So I have a little candle lit right now and everything, but I'm gonna turn on the light. So I've got my little medicine cabinet right here with lots of my stuff. Got lots of stuff underneath these drawers right here, but this is my favorite little spot. It's got lots of my favorite books. This is a special box, which is basically just got lots of little notes in it and everything like that. This is a Bible. I have probably 5 Bibles, so I just have them kind of laying around for if I want to check references or check another translation. But then I've got my favorite candle, which is vanilla sugar cane, and it's just my absolute favorite. And I've got a journal right over here, which is called My Life Beautifully, and it's just such a good journal, and it kind of makes you think about your life and just think about how thankful you should be for it. And then I've got my little rug, which is my favorite. It's so comfy. And if my camera would focus, thank you very much. But yeah, that's basically it in this bathroom. I have lots and lots of counter space, which I love. I've got my little marble detail soap and tooth, and then I just have a cup for whatever. And then my little toilet's right over there. And then this is my shower, which you cannot see really, but it's just right here. And it works great. I love it so much. Okay guys, so that is it for this beauty room slash bedroom tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see a makeup collection video or if you want to see my jewelry collection video, anything like that. Please let me know if you want to see that down below. I'd be more than happy to film that for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!